in the sea wooden.
Those are not goats, dude. Those are horses.
I'm gonna why one of them white.
Well, just like people, horses come in all shapes and sizes and colors.
Them white, they cute.
Yes, Mars, and some of them are black and some of them are brown. That is true. There's something special about being able to pack up for a few days, leave the routine behind, and just experience something new together. As the start of another school year gets closer, we wanted to take this opportunity to give the boys, and ourselves, a little break before life gets busy again. We're incredibly grateful that we're in a position to do things like this. I don't see nobody. Alright, take 75. It's not always about how much you have. Sometimes richness really is about the experiences you're able to share with the people around you. So today, we're packing up, hitting the road, and heading to an Airbnb for the next few days. We don't have everything planned down to the minute, and honestly, that's part of what makes it exciting. A new place, a new experience, and a few days together before the school year begins. Richness is life, slowly but surely. Morning. There's a calm before the storm, man. Kids had fun. The kids had fun yesterday. I don't know. Badminton might be our new thing, man. We did a trial round last night, or yesterday evening before the sun went down, and I will say, I might have played varsity tennis back in the day, but badminton's a whole other animal, man. That birdie, or excuse me, shuttlecock, it's not a tennis ball. It has a mind of its own. Oi! Come on, Mars. Oi! Oh, almost! Okay, almost. Yeah, there you go. Start with it on there. Cover. Oh boy. Cover. Hey! Okay. Oi. I was surprised the kids were rather entertained. I wish we would have brought more racks. We brought two. Brought the kit, the set. But having four would have been a better plan. Didn't realize everybody was going to be so interested. So stay tuned for that later today. Little tournament of champions, if you will. Badminton edition. Instant coffee perspective. It's not horrible. It's not horrible. Pair that with calmness of the morning, the peace and quiet, the kids still sleeping. Well, kind of mostly. And we got ourselves a boys' trip escape. It's kind of a little escape for everybody, right? Sonia's enjoying some peace and quiet at her neck of the woods. We're taking on this one over here with them, and yeah, it's gonna be an interesting day. Don't have anything planned. I'm gonna let them decide their fate. What's more important, sunshine and cool breeze, or AC? Because every time you get the AC reminder, it's a doozy of just like, Either way, we'll see where the adventure takes us after a little more peace and quiet. All right, Andre, what you see? That is a ham and cheese no, it's actually chicken and cheese. What'd you watch?
So I'm going to make this.
Makes a sandwich. And what's he put on it?
In that one, his sister.
Yeah.
No, his girlfriend.
Wow. What's he put on it? What's he put on it?
His girlfriend. And put bread, and then like you put on the two sides of bread. Then in those put pickled funny.
I can't hear you, bro.
In those put pickled funny.
Pickles?
Yeah.
That's true. That goes on a sandwich.
And then there's lucky.
Just a pickle sandwich?
And over here, so
No cheese? Wow. Pickle sandwich? What do you got?
And
Oh, wait, there's more?
and then one bread and put bread.
Uh-huh.
Then you put some slice frankfurter. Like frankfurter long down for
Okay.
but then they cut off.
Okay.
And then put shredded bread.
Uh-huh.
Then you put cheese on it. Then you go put in a microwave and melt it until the cheese melt down. And then you get one bucket. Taki and put in a pot them.
A what?
Taki.
Takis?
Like, and put frankfurter sideways.
Mm-hmm.
Like we put one yeso, then we go over and I put yeso.
Right.
Yeso we put the taki and melt down the cheese.
Wow.
Then you put the other frankfurter over there so.
Mm-hmm.
And we can't put the other one yeso. Yeso we put the other when you something there. When you get the cheese out of
Okay.
frankfurter yeso.
Was it good?
And then you serve. You put this cheese, lettuce,
Wow.
mayonnaise, mustard,
Uh-huh.
ketchup.
Wow.
Uh,
Did he eat it?
yeah.
Oh,
I did school lunch.
oh, nice. How's the sandwich?
Great.
Great. That's a big bowl of cornflakes. You can manage all that? All right.
And then
Careful.
that's bigger than Andre.
He is bigger than Andre. Breakfast of Champions, right? Breakfast of Champions?
I want to get this big. Yeah. Pretty bigger than your shoe. Ice Andre.
Bag.
This a week.
Bag. What's up, man?
Go play badminton. Go easy on him.
Okay.
Yeah. All right. In a surprising twist, badminton in full effect. However, more importantly, I'm going to let you guys in on a little secret they don't know about. So, Andre's going to, hold on. Hi. You want to go down there? Go down there. That's fine.
No, a swimming pool.
No, they're doing badminton. We're going to swim later today.
The Magarua.
They're playing badminton on the courts.
But my name's so.
That thing we tried playing yesterday where you guys kept swinging and missing? It's called badminton. Badminton.
Baseball.
Close, but no. So yeah, Andre, we're gonna go swimming later today. We're not swimming right now. Okay, you go. Okay, bye. All right, that was a close one. Anyway, super secret announcement. They think we're gonna go to a place called Kanoko Falls, which we might actually go to. I don't know. It's a park. It's an Ochi. There's a falls. It's a thing, right? However, what they don't know is I just got through booking. Oh, hold on. Walk by the pool, Andre, or go by the gym area. You're doing great. Okay, bye. See ya. They started without you. Anyway, they have been asking, and they have put on their vision board, many of them, to ride a horse. So I've called a few of the local horse riding establishments around here. Got through with the St. Anne's Horse Riding Association, which has pretty affordable local rates for all 7 of us. It's 3 kids, 4 adults, because if you're over 11, you're adult. Even though physically you might be close to adults, they certainly don't act like it. That was my joke I told the lady. She didn't laugh. But all 7 of us are going. Yo! Hold on. You know how to get there? Okay. Be safe. Bye. Okay, see ya. I'll watch you from over here. I'll watch you from out here to make sure you get there. All right. This is it. This is how it works. You can't get any secrets out to anybody. Anyway, yeah, all 7 of us are going to go horseback riding. In theory, because they wanted to, and yeah, for 39,000 Jamaican dollars for all 7 of us. Oi! Okay, bye. Wow, you're doing great. He's been training. Turn left. Okay. You got this. Yeah. Oh boy. So I'm excited. I got a little nervous. Threw a lot of WhatsApp texts out and didn't get an initial response, but The lady got back to us, so we were going to go meet Kevin at 11 a.m. and sit on a horse and ride it. That's not the breeze giving me the goose pimples, the goosebumps. I'm a little nervous. I haven't been on a horse in a very long time. Supposedly, this is the beginner level horse riding experience, and so we'll see what happens. They don't know it yet. I'm going to surprise them when we get in the car, so enjoy the surprise when we turn off the road and they're like, where are we going? But we'll see how the badminton goes first.
Where? Walk I live. I know me a sir. No, what day you see me go?
Bye. Enjoy your iPads. I'm going to the car. Bye. Okay. See ya. Last one out. Lock the door. Or anyway. No, Mars. No. Leave the iPad. Hi. Put your iPad down. Wow. Come on, Andre. Let's go. Where are we going?
To the falls.
To the falls? Oh, we might be falling all right. Gosh, if you're not good. You don't have to go if you don't want to.
No, me ask which part. Like,
you say it with such like a disappointment. You're gonna fall. Like waterfalls. Uh-huh. I probably, yeah, that's I mean, there's water. I don't know, because you guys are staring at your iPads the whole time and nobody has a clue what's going on. Boy, don't they. I'm just gonna get in the car. Yes, it's a power shift and power balance. Do you bring the iPads? Do you not? We made Junior and Craig and Mars leave their phone, and we're still losing the iPad war. I know, Mars, you're falling already. I go to the falls and you're falling already? Go get your seat. Let's get out of here. Good morning, miss. We're here we got an appointment at 11 with Kevin to ride some horses.
I'm not hearing.
We have an appointment with Kevin at 11 to ride some horses. Is this the St. Anne Horseback Association something?
Yes.
All right.
Kevin?
Yeah.
You go
Straight up.
That's how you do go for
Junior. That you're not. All right.
Big up yourself.
Gentlemen.
Yeah.
You are getting on a horse.
Yes.
I suggest you listen and be respectful and good luck. It's going to be an adventure. Alright. Make sure we're listening. Make sure we are respectful. Any questions?
Yes.
You wearing this? Mars?
Me.
Good luck, man. Good luck. We're gonna need it. I know. Yo, you ready? Do you know where we are? You know where we are? We're on a horse, man. We're on. Oh, he's moving. He's moving. Yeah, you can touch him. I'm gonna hold on to the reins like I know what I'm doing. Okay. You got this, Andre. You got this, Junior. Oh boy. Hmm? Well, I will turn it on when we get started. Okay. They're getting on. It's about to get real, man.
Yes, Dave.
Doing great, guys.
Mario, Andre.
Shh, Mario, don't scare the horses. You good? You good? You're doing great. You're doing great, Dave. Oh boy, I'm nervous. I can do this. You got to be confident, gentlemen. Yeah, and we're doing. Oh, there goes Junior. Oh, they probably get hungry. Yeah, they just get hungry like you guys. Uh-huh. Junior, you good?
Where are you going?
Bye, Dave. Have fun. We'll see you later, Dave. Ooh, we're going.
Anyone got mama?
We're going.
I will drive you.
All right, Craig.
Go on. Go on. Charlie, don't pull for it.
Yeah, don't pull, guys.
Go
Oi.
on one line, man.
All right. You ready?
Yeah.
Going for a ride. Here we go.
Come on. Go next time, go ahead, brother. Can you stay
Here we
back
go.
on?
All right. Never thought the day would come. Mars is has my life in his hands. Mars? We're gonna make. Okay.
Hey, Josh.
You guys good?
Hola.
You look like a cowboy, man.
Hola.
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 Mm.
Hola.
Mares, I don't think they speak Spanish, man. Oh, snap. Oh, snap. It's about to get real, gentlemen. My feet are getting wet, bro. Want some? Do you want some? Yeah, I guess you'll share, probably.
I'm gonna eat them food that means good food.
You eat good food?
Yeah.
Like what?
Like bully beef and rice and mac and cheese.
Oh, you don't want no bush? Oh, see, look. He's gonna get some food. He's hungry. He's having a good time. All right, back on the road. See, man, go away, man. We're gonna eat and run, or eat and walk. Yeah, we don't want to run. Whee!
Give them gun.
We'll catch him. We're snacking. We're stopped for a snack. It's all right. Oh, okay.
I'm sitting.
Oh no, the river. Here comes the river.
I'm gonna away.
Remember the river?
Alright, yeah.
All right. All right, how do we get this? Here we go. Oh, lean back.
That boy got that house, boy.
Oh, you know, that's true. They definitely like an adventure, man. Yeah. Whee. What do you think? You're gonna do this again sometime? Pretty good. You want to ride a horse again?
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah. This was a fun one, man. What's the horse's name? You remember the horse's name? Do you remember the horse's name? What is it?
Horse.
No, man, it's Magnum. We got Magnum. Slow and steady wins the race. Right? Yeah, we're going right back. We made it. We did the ocean. We did the bush. We did the rivers.
Ocean again. One ocean again.
Ocean again.
And ocean again.
Oh, and we had some snacks. Gotta get some snacks, right? All right. Ooh.
Again, the seafood in there.
Those are not goats, dude. Those are horses.
I'm gonna wear one of them white.
Well, just like people, horses come in all shapes and sizes and colors.
Them white like you.
Yes, Mars, and some of them are black and some of them are brown. That is true. Observations of the world, man. Even the animal world has different colors.
One of them are sleep.
Yeah, they sleep too. That's true. All right, we made it. We made it. Woo! That is it. That is it. Oh, he's gonna eat. Come on, bro. All right, snack on the road. All right. Oh, going down, going down, going down, going down, going down. Okay. Whee. We did it. We did it. We did it, man. Oi. All right, to the edge. Mario, no peeing on the blocks, man. All right, bro. Do it. Hold that. Yeah, you know that for me? Oi. Woo! Magnum, we had a good time here.
Can't say your name getting running like, see you?
Yeah. Who's the runner?
See that? You must say ass fast.
Let me get my legs back real quick. Why?
Tyler, look now.
Huh?
When me run, yeah, because ooh. Something me just get up play off, so I said. So we start laugh.
How's your legs? How's your legs? Hi. 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 I feel like I'm gonna be sore tomorrow, man. Andre, how's? Yeah, we're gonna keep working on that one. All right, thank you very much. We had a great time. We'll do it again next time. Hi, home sweet home.
YouTubers, I'm going to tell you how the horse ride went. So we go to the horse place and the man put us on a horse and we ride and we get to go in the ocean and we get to race, but we couldn't like race fast to make the horse go fast. So and the water soaked us, so right now we are wet. So we just come back from the horse place at Richmond Estate. We just come back, so we're going to eat something and then go to the pool.
Dear YouTubers, so today was the best day of my life because I rode some horse. Me and Angie went on one horse and the horse was very mad and I have a great time and I love this place and we went into the water and the water flashed up on my pants and my pants is wet. Then Dave and Craig slapped the horse and the horse run. So today we're going to the movie theater. So goodbye.
Good afternoon, YouTubers. So we are going to talk about the horse that we ride on and it was nice because me and my brothers race on the horse and Mario and we go into water and the water smash me up. It was nice because the horse name was nice and I willing to go there back. YouTubers, I'm going to tell you about the horse riding. So at the place when Mario went on the same horse, we got the horse to run. We went out to the beach. We had to cross a river. We went out to the beach and we turned and then we took pictures and then we went back, and so I enjoyed the horse riding and I want to do it again sometime and come back here so we can do the horse riding again. So that's how it went for me.
Good day, YouTubers. So the horse ride was fantastic and I have fun and sometime I will do it again and it was fun. So thank you, Tyler, for making me ride that animal. Morning, YouTubers. So today horse riding was good because I like how the horse were moving slow, and I get to control it. And first I was kind of scared, but I man up, and when you beat the horse, it move fast, and I like that. So that was my experience riding the animal. So yes.
Wait, you thought they'd get to leave all their work at home? Oh no, this is a business trip. We're working and playing at the same time. Wow. Anyway, yeah, Andre, subtraction. The boys ran to the pool. Andre, Mr. Responsible, getting the work done. Tell him. Exactly. No, Andre, you got to fix number 6. Yeah, that's what I thought.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Wait. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Don't drink the water, dude. Good?
Yeah.
Yeah? How's that floaty? That's right. Keeps the head up, just like Andre. That's true. Yeah, that's true. All right. Whoa, that's crazy, bro. Wow, you're doing great. Right? Yeah. There, we nipped that one in the bud there. No more shoulder flipping, but they had some fun. Either way, I think now is a good time more than ever to have a little chit chat about dynamics, family dynamics, I guess you could say. It's no surprise to say that boys' trips are turning into an enjoyable event for the boys. And while, as many of you guys know who've been with us for a while, Sonia and I have a very, I like to call it eclectic, unique, whatever word works for you, relationship in which we're totally okay and understanding that we are different, we are at different places in our life. We have different purposes for being back in Jamaica, and I am happy to give her the opportunity to have some quiet time, because there's a reason people don't do this. There is a reason, man. Between the noise and the stress and the disobedience and the little glimmers of hope shine every once in a while that makes it all worthwhile. It's a process, and it is very challenging. And while we try to doll it up as best as possible to make it enjoyable and entertaining, it's hard. It's hard. It is one of the hardest jobs I've had. Physically, maybe not so much, but emotionally and mentally, it's a challenge, and it weighs over time. And so I am grateful for those that understand that it's okay. It's okay for us to have our separate worlds and then come together and enjoy each other's presence when that time arises. And I enjoy being able to bring these boys out and give her a break and deal with the noise and etc. And check in. She's doing great. I checked in this morning. I called after 8 and woke her up. Would you believe it? So clearly she's enjoying herself. And the chickens and dogs are fine too. But yeah, I just want to take a moment and just paint a fuller picture that says, yes, I realize we're not the lovey-dovey, cushy relationship blog of look at our own bio kids and look how this fantasy life we're living. No, that is not the point of this channel. This is Fire and IRIE, and well, there's a play on words there. And when it comes to, retiring early, the FIRE movement, and obviously IRIE, peace of mind and coolness and well-being, it is a challenge. And I just want to continue to emphasize for those that continue to show up and support the channel and the kids and what we're doing, that this is not your everyday family video. And I think that's what maybe makes it unique and interesting, but also realistic. And there are people out there that are disappointed by this not being the perfect quintessential family vlog, and that's okay. It is not for everybody. And for those that continue to show up and support the cause, we ride horses in the ocean and have some really interesting swim races. So just wanted to put that out there. And gotta catch the other. Really, Dave? You let Craig beat you? You let Craig beat you? Wow. Keep going. You're almost there, Josh. Almost there. Just keep swimming. Just keep swimming. You're gonna make it. You're gonna almost. Oh, all right. That's right, Josh. Sometimes it's the little victories in life. Exactly. I think it's time for afternoon coffee. We're gonna need it. Andrew, you good? You gonna make it? Whee! Right? I hear you, man. Wow, you thought the adventure was over? No, we're gonna go try and catch a movie if we can get there on time. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Forrest, it's not hard, dude. Chill. Wow. Here we go. Cove Theater. Next stop. Hopefully. All right, official time, 4:30. Got to get parked. Movie starts in 15 minutes. You're saying there's a chance, right? Mars, are we gonna make it?
Yes!
Hopefully. Here we go. What are we doing? What are we doing?
I'm gonna go watch movie.
Which movie?
Spider-Man.
Yeah, we're gonna make it?
Yeah. I'm a little Spider-Man.
You love Spider-Man?
Yeah.
All right, well, I hope it's really playing on time or we're not gonna make it. You ready?
And Spider-Man actor, don't police officer.
All right. You heard him. Here we go. What? He's still... Junior, get your finger out of your mouth. We got this. Oh, you know how old that sign is? You know how old that sign is? That sign's this way. We're going. We're gonna make it. Yeah, man. All right, let's go. We're gonna make it. Push, pull. Yeah, we got this. Let's go. Guys, you can sit wherever you want. All right. I'm sitting in the middle, right there. Okay, well, you guys make a bunch of noise. I don't know you. I'm going right here in the middle. Let's go. All right. Ow, Mars, really? Big question. Who's going for popcorn? You and Dave? Okay. Did you see how much popcorn was? Did anybody see how much popcorn? How much was popcorn? I don't know. I'm going to have to figure it out. Either way, we made it. Look at that cool kid sitting over there by himself. There's a cool kid. Mars, you good? All right. We're going to figure this out. Cool. I don't know, Josh. I think Spider-Man and me got a lot in common. Not just our good looks.
They can't flip.
That's true.